Hey everyone, welcome to the brand new course of 2024, which is the Laravel, the most demanding framework of PHP, which is basically the Laravel. Now, in this course, we are going to learn everything from scratch to the advanced levels. For example, we are going to learn what is Laravel, from what is Laravel to the most advanced concepts like patterns, repository patterns, and lots of stuff that also comes with Laravel. So this is basically just an example. We are also going to cover a lot of things. But before that, let me introduce you myself, what I am doing and where I have come from and what my experience in Laravel is. So my name is Waleed Akhlaq and I am doing web development since 2015. So it's been over 8 years and I am working as a PHP full stack developer. I started working with CodeIgniter, then I shifted to Laravel, and since 2017 I am working on Laravel, and I have a very vast experience in Laravel as well. So I know like what the industry is demanding from the candidates, what they should know about Laravel. So I will be teaching you everything which I have learned in my 7 to 8 years of experience. Everything I will be teaching in this course. Now, in this course, I know like every one of us can read the documentation and then they can start building the projects. But the Laravel documentation is kind of like you have to play around with the documentation because something is specifically related to another different section which is maybe very far away from where we are actually currently in the documentation. So we will be covering everything that includes in the documentation, but that's not all. We will also do three major projects in this course. So first, let's take a look at what are those three major projects that we are going to learn and develop, because at the end of the course, the thing that matters is what we have learned and what we can develop and what I am going to teach you. I'm not going to teach you like we can create to do apps and stuff like that. These are like really simple examples. So let me show you like what we are going to actually build, what different projects we are actually going to build in this Laravel course. All right, so now here are the three projects that we are going to build in this application. The first one is basically the inventory management system. Now, inventory management system is basically like we are going to record everything that a store requires to keep its inventory management, from inventory management to sales, to reporting, and little bit of accounts as well. Now the accounts is basically a really different thing. Like in accounts, there comes like the ledgers, the chart of accounts and stuff like that. There is a lot of thing in the account section. So we will be basically covering the basic concepts of account in this project as well. Then the next project comes is basically the e-commerce project. We will take the inventory management system, and then behind the inventory management system we are going to build an e-commerce on top of that inventory management system. So the e-commerce will be basically the front end of the whole application, where users can come, users can add their products to cart, and then they can place order. And then we are also going to learn like how we can integrate different payment methods in our application from Stripe. Maybe we also include Laravel and then cash on delivery and stuff like that. And then the last application is really interesting. Now, this is basically related to multi-tenant applications. So we will skip the e-commerce and then we will take the inventory management system only, and then we will convert that inventory management system into the multi-tenant application. So what is like multi-tenant application? So multi-tenant application is basically like some company or some user is coming to your application and then they want like they have a separate dashboard, a separate database for their project, but behind the scene, behind this software, there will be only one software running, and then you will have bunch of different clients. So if you have take a look at the MailChimp or the Active Campaign, these are basically the examples where they give you a complete different dashboard, and then the different functionality, different databases and different schemas are going on behind the scenes. So we will be covering every those steps in this multi-tenant application. All right, so now let's come to the contents part. So what we are going to basically learn first before coming to these projects.